You've already done the hard part. Sat through that PMP prep course, took the time to learn the material, and you felt ready. Then life got in the way. That application sat unfinished, exam never got scheduled, and that credential still just out of your reach. If that's you, here's some good news. You haven't lost anything. Introducing the PMP Finisher course from Project Success Academy. This is built specifically for people who have already learned the material, but they just need some help getting across that finish line, getting that application done, getting the exam scheduled, and then taking and passing the exam. You know, it doesn't matter where you took your PMP prep course. PMI now requires all providers to use the same core material. So you're already on solid ground. We simply help you get across that finish line. There's no starting over. There's no wasted learning, just the support you actually need to take what you already know and then turn that into the credential that you so richly deserve. Are you ready to finally get PMP certified? Visit ProjectSuccessAcademy.com and enroll in our PMP Finisher course today.